The second thought that I had today or this morning that I wanted to share with everybody was speak your life. Control your destiny as much as you can. If there are things in your life that you desire, things that you want, personality changes, character changes, losing weight, getting married, all the different things in this life that we as human beings desire, you have to speak it. And what I'm realizing is you have to believe it when you speak it. If you know that you're going to be the executive of this company that you're working for, you have to believe that. You have to know. And then you speak it. You let it be known to the universe, to the elements, to the spirits that surround us every day, that you're going to be the executive of your company. It's just so important. It's important. I'm realizing that we as human beings, we're not just human beings. As a matter of fact, before we're human beings, we're spiritual creatures. And I don't know if you've ever taken the opportunity to look at yourself that way, but you are a spiritual creature. So therefore, you have within you the power of the spirits. You have that power to call energies to you, be they positive or negative. Remember that. But you have the power to call good and bad energy to yourself. And then, of course, your actions and just your day-to-day thoughts and how you live actually will compensate you with that. But I did want to just express, because I have so many dreams and aspirations, and I live with a person who has big dreams and aspirations, and he has had great opportunities to live out those dreams, and he still has so many more that he wants to accomplish. And so, I just realized we got to speak it. We got to speak it. We got to let it be known that this is what our lives are going to be about, and all of your actions will start to push you in that direction. So again, believe it when you speak it, and speak it out. Don't be afraid to say it out loud. I am moving into my own home. I am getting married. I will have a baby with the man I love. These things are very dear to my heart personally. And I want to give that to you. It is very important that if you want to change, and if you want to see the power of you as a spiritual creature, speak it. Speak it and see what happens.